Well, the state's 7-day COVID-19 positivity rate now stands at 3.64%, the lowest since November. But while cases decline, the fight for an increase in COVID-19 supply continues. Patients at Waterbury Hospital's vaccine clinics in Naugatuck and Post University were forced to reschedule their vaccination appointments after the hospital announced on its Facebook page it had exhausted its supply. Hospital officials say patients with first dose vaccine appointments for Friday, Monday, and Tuesday morning were asked to reschedule, adding their vaccine allotment comes from the state. Waterbury St. Mary's Hospital opened a new vaccine clinic at the Waterbury Arts Magnet School on Monday, where officials say they will be able to vaccinate up to 4,000 patients per week.
That number is based on vaccine availability, so it is kind of a little bit of a balance game.
And clinic leaders say they are paying close attention to the number of doses they will be receiving from the state.
We really do work very closely with our pharmacy leaders who are kind of the math behind the scenes, taking into consideration how much vaccine we will be allocated for that week-to-week basis.
On Thursday, Governor Lamont announced a 16% increase in the state's weekly vaccine supply, the number of doses jumping from 46,000 to about 54,000. And with that increase, the state says it plans on focusing on those ages 75 and older from underserved communities.
And we know what all the barriers are: access to computers, access to the internet, access to information, transportation.
State Senator Marilyn Moore is raising awareness on racial inequality following vaccine rollout and says state officials need to consider health disparities while focusing on distribution, especially in cities like Bridgeport, where underserved communities are the majority.
We just need dedicated help to know that we are going to be addressed and not the tail end for what's happening.
And according to the CDC, Connecticut has now administered more than 400,000 vaccine doses. At the state capitol in Hartford, Tania Maldonado, Fox 61 News.